A railway wagon assembly plant built by China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation in southwest Nigeria's Ogun state was officially put into operation on Monday. The Kajola wagon assembly plant has an annual capacity of producing 500 wagons, including open wagons, container flight wagons, and box wagons.
This wagon assembly plant is one of the two corporate social responsibility projects initiated and being executed by our Chinese partners, Messrs. CCECC. This commissioning today brings to fruition one of the two projects. The other one is the establishment of the University of Transportation in Daura, Katsina State.
Today is a dream come to reality, and we are happy to thank the President and the Minister for the support and steadfastness for not giving up and ensuring that what we are seeing today has come.
According to CCECC, the construction of the plant began in January 2021 and was completed for trial production in November 2022. The plant has used China's advanced railroad wagon manufacturing production line. By May 9th, a total of 60 wagons had been assembled in the plant, and 220 wagons are scheduled to be assembled by the end of the third quarter of this year.